Dan for Your Diary here.
And Charles from Gear Diary.
And we have yet another electric bike. This is actually the Ride1Up Cafe Cruiser. We're going to talk about this. We've been really excited about this one. But first we got to put it together before we talk. So why don't we get to doing that?
Let's do it.
Here we go. First ride on the Ride1Up Cafe Cruiser. This is a nice looking bike. This thing is, the position is comfortable, the ride is smooth. I am really liking this. I am really liking this Cafe Cruiser from Ride1Up. Let's go.